everybody, my name is Matthew Adama aka Bassmatics, and I want to welcome you to this platform once again, Bassmatics Bass World. Today we are doing something really interesting, triads. There's no way you can do bass solo or play bass chords without understanding triads. So we are doing triads today as our topic for today. Before we delve into treating what a major triad, minor triad, augmented triad and diminished triad is, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can always get a notification whenever I put up a tutorial or any video at all. Now, what is triads? Triads are a set of 3 notes that can be stacked vertically in thirds. Triad is made up of 3 notes played on top of each other. You will often hear people tag triad as chords. The lowest pitch in triad to the highest consists of bottom, the middle, and the top notes. Now, the triad members from the lowest pitch to the highest pitch is called the root note, the third, and the fifth. There are 4 types of triads. We have the major, minor, augmented, and diminished triads. What is a major triad? Major triad is a triad that consists of the root note, the major third, and the perfect fifth. From the music alphabet, we know A, B, C, D to G. We usually start from C, D, E, F, G, A, B, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you call the 8th one is the 1. So it's a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 is like the 1. So it's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, like that. So, for example, if I'm playing on C and I want to play the major triad, I will take my root here. If I take my C as a root, so the third will be 1, 2, 3. Which is E as my third. Then perfect fifth will be my G. So I have as my C major triad. So you can do that is major triad. So now let's move to minor triads. A minor triad is a triad that consists of the root note, minor third, and perfect fifth. So if I'm having my middle C here, and I'm looking for my minor triad, I told us the root note and then no major third this time around is a minor third. That minor third means we're going to flatten our third. Instead of having this third here, we'll flatten it. Okay? If you go this way, it's flattening. If you come this way, it's sharp. So this is C. Our minor third will be here. Instead of here, it will be here. We flattened it. Then perfect fifth. So minor triad for C will now be which is C, E flat, and G. C, E flat, G. C, E flat, and G. Yeah, I hope you learned something today. Keep subscribing to my channel as I'm going to be dropping interesting videos. Every Wednesday, tutorial. Every Friday, something entertaining. It could be a cover or a play. and Sundays stage play. Do not miss any episode. I love you guys. Keep subscribing to Bassmatics Official.